postcards from the city. I've been walking.
Yo, what is going on, everybody? Kieran Can't Yo here, back again with another tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm teaching you a super cool tech combo I made. Here's what it looks like from my perspective. There we go. Before we get into this video, obviously using the, where's the logo? Deviant Plus, if you can focus on that. Yeah, anyway, without further ado, let's get into this. You're going to start this trick off by rolling into a sub mount. For those of you that don't know how to enter this mount, you can either do it by almost rolling into a 1.5 like so, but instead of going over your index finger, you're just hitting that top string and landing onto the bottom one like that. Or you can just open up a trapeze. From here, with your index finger on your non-throw hand, you're going to grab the string attached to the yo-yo and pull it on to this kamikaze. This underpass should look like that. So that is just pulling this string around in a semicircle, making sure not to touch the string connected to your middle. From here, you're then going to roll the yo-yo off over your index finger like so. This should create 2 loops which go around your index finger. From there, you can do that same bounce element you did to get into the sub mount. This time to mount the string, this time to mount the yo-yo on this string like that. Once again, bounced onto there. From here, you're going to drop this string, this front string, off your index finger, making sure that it avoids the yo-yo like so. Then you can do a small semicircle with your non-throw hand, which should look like that. From here, you can hop the yo-yo onto this front string, making sure to hop it round this string like so, and it also needs to hop in front of it like that. From here, you're going to be aiming to hop the yo-yo in between these strings here. You should notice that this triangle forms when you pull your middle finger not into the mount, but outside of it, and you're going to be aiming to land the yo-yo here. From here, you're just going to place this string onto the yo-yo like so. This should leave you in what is essentially a green triangle, but instead of just leaving it in this green triangle and popping out, what you're going to do is pinch this string connected to your yo-yo with your index finger and thumb, and then just do a small little reverse vanish whip off to one side, and then you can do a semicircle around the yo-yo with both hands like so. Then you can drop the string on your index finger, and that will leave you in a green triangle which pops from the front, and from there you are free to bind. And that is the whole combo. So I'll go over it one more time for you. Sub mount, kamikaze, roll off and do another sub mount thing, drop the cyc over the yo-yo, small little semicircle, pop off, pop through, into a green triangle, oh, small little semicircle, and then green triangle, which then pops from front, and bind. And yeah, that is the whole trick. So if you like this video, leave a thumbs up, leave a comment and all that nonsense. If you have trouble learning it, message me at Kieran Can't Yo-Yo on Instagram. And yeah, that's about it. So, peace.
My old hometown always felt so pretty, and no one was sending postcards from the city. I've been walking downtown every day. This I always try to fit in. When they consume my head, I hate this feeling. I wanna be a paragon, not a villain. I hate the city, but I stay for you. My love's so pretty, and I always knew from the day we met I would be with you. The first time you said that you love me too. Without you I'm hollowed out, so I packed my things and we moved down south. Shared a room postcards from the city. I've been walking downtown every day. In spite of this, I always try to fit in. When they consume my head, I hate this feeling. I wanna be a paragon, not a villain.